Hey guys, this is Ryan with Vapor Home Technologies. I am very excited about what we're doing today. I believe these are off of my favorite four-wheeler of all time, the Honda TRX 250R. This thing is legendary when it comes to any sort of racing quad. It's still used today, actually. A lot of people have switched over to 450 frames, but this thing for the time was completely revolutionary with just the amount of speed that you were able to carry through corners with this thing and how light and agile that it felt. We've got a lot more parts from this thing, but we've actually got the cylinder here and I believe one of the side covers for the engine. Don't know which one I want to do yet. I'm actually gonna flip a coin because I can't decide where to start with this thing. So what do you think? This is tails, this is heads? Heads. Dude, I'm excited. You realize how good this thing's gonna look? Just another little quick update on the progress, guys. This is before, this is after. That is insane. All right, this thing. Do I need to turn the lights off so that it doesn't reflect off and like blur out the camera? Dude, that is just about as beautiful as it gets. It's too bright. We gotta dull it down, dude. Today we're gonna be tackling the side cover here, which is painted. This is also aluminum, so we're gonna be able to show you guys how to go from paint to polished aluminum. I'm pretty excited. I think it's gonna come off fairly easy. I do believe this is the original paint because you guys can kind of see where his boot or whatever he was wearing while he was riding started to wear this thing. I'm talking seconds. I don't know if you can see that. That is not even a competition. Look at that. Can you see that, John?
Yeah, I did.
That's insane. Okay, really quick, before everybody comments, he missed a spot. This is actually gonna be for a little bit of testing I wanna do. You guys can see the aluminum oxide did a fantastic job of removing that paint that was already on here, but I want to see if glass bead is actually gonna be able to take this off. Not only will we see if we can remove this paint, but also if we can brighten this up in one go. I've got one of the engine cases here that's got some seriously old paint, some pretty nasty rusting as you guys can see, and some serious corrosion going on in here. So all of that area that had that rust and corrosion, we've removed in what, John, maybe a minute of total blast time. And then you can see kind of the areas where I've oversprayed with the blast gun here and it's already starting to remove that paint. So this part is not gonna take long at all for us to actually finish. Now, this part is by no means perfect, but you can definitely tell the difference between where it is now and where we started at. Today I've got something pretty special for you guys, as we're actually going to get to use everyone's new favorite cabinet, the VH700. We're gonna bring this thing back to life. Right now it's in a pretty dilapidated state, just like the other pieces that we had.